What's up guys? Today we're in the Tesla Model 3 and we got some goodies in the bag. Today we're going to be installing the center console cover. That's the carbon fiber matte finish. And I'm super excited about this. The main reason I'm excited is because I've never done a vinyl wrap before. And I was actually really nervous to do this, but then I found out that it's actually ABS plastic. So it's very similar finish to this as far as being durable. However, it's super easy to apply. So this is pretty dirty right now, so we're gonna get this cleaned up and then we'll open up the package and show you what's in there. I got my trusty Sprayway glass cleaner. Any glass cleaner will work for this, or rubbing alcohol and water. You want to mix 50-50 if you do that. But grab a clean microfiber cloth and we're just gonna spray some onto there. We want to make sure the surface is super clean underneath. And I've also got the dog mode on right now, as you can see here. I want to keep the car nice and warm while I do this. And since I'm sitting in the passenger seat, the car won't stay on. So we're going to go ahead and leave it in dog mode. Alright, I got that first wipe done. I'm going to go ahead and do a wipe on the back side. And then we'll also going to be installing this top cover too. Might be a little hard to see for you. However, it's really easy to clean up as well. Give it a nice little wipe. This one's already pretty clean on my car. So one problem with the piano black finish is that it shows all these scratches and it shows a lot of fingerprints. So if I touch it, it'll show fingerprints, and then these scratches are really easy to get on there. And to get these off, you'd have to polish it, and that's really time consuming and honestly not really worth it unless you're going to do a clear bra over it. So what these guys have done is they've done an ABS plastic with a carbon fiber pattern. So I'm really excited to get this installed. Let's get it open. Alright, so we've got a car center console cover. It comes in 3 different shapes. So we're going to be covering the whole entire surface. And opening up the package, we've got the 3 different shapes. And I'm really excited because this actually attaches with adhesive strips instead of just being a clear vinyl wrap. So these adhesive strips are going to be what sticks to the top of the console here. And that's going to be super easy to apply. I was really nervous when I first ordered these that I was going to have to do all the trimming and make sure they get it perfectly aligned and all that, but with this I'm really confident that it'll look great when I'm done. And it'll be much more durable too. It looks like this is the top cover right here. Oh, actually, this is going to be our top cover, our mid, and our cup holders. Let's do our cup holders first. Nice bags here, really easy packaging. Nothing too crazy, not a lot of waste here. Just enough to keep it protected. Alright, right away I see the nice matte black finish. This is going to be great for hiding all of the fingerprints. And this looks like a pretty durable plastic as well, so I'm really excited for this. Let's go ahead and pull the adhesive strips. So I'm going to actually use a razor blade because I don't have any fingernails right now, but totally not needed. You could do this with your fingernails. Okay, now that I got all this peeled, it was a little time consuming to do that, but that's with most double stick tape. So we got our surface nice and clean here. Now let's go ahead and stick this on. Now I want to be careful to line up the edges nicely here. And I'm going to use the cup holder to do that. I'm going to slide my fingernail right down the side here so I can make sure I can feel exactly where the edge of this is. Perfect. And then I'm just going to go ahead and press down. Okay, so I am having a little bit of fitment issues back here, but I think I have it a little bit shifted to the side. So I'm going to gently pull up on it, shift it over to the other side. Okay, now it's perfect. And you can see there's a little bit of a line right here, but it's really not that bad and nobody's really going to notice it. And I press down nice and firmly so we can get that tape stuck. I like that it's still flush with the top here. That's a nice feature. Okay, and that's installed. Let's go ahead and move on to the next piece. Alright, this one is peeled, and let's put it on as well. I'm going to pop open my top piece here so I can get a nice clear edge on there. And this one is actually the top, so let's go ahead and put this back down. And I was told to make sure that the edges are as close as possible here on the bottom. I'm really taking some time to get this aligned properly on the edges here. And just let it lay down nice and flush. Perfect. That looks great. Just pull up on the top here and get it pressed down. And we're good to go. Okay, the middle piece is the last one. Let's go ahead and open that up and get that installed. Alright, that one was nice and easy to peel. And again, we're going to go ahead and lift up this top piece. Get the top aligned nicely. Actually, I'm going to start on the back. That sounds like a better idea. Back seems to be a little shorter. Yeah, this isn't as wide as the one on the other side. I'm just going to rest this on here nice and gently. I would rather have it lined up on this side more, because this is going to be popped up most of the time for my phone charger. So let's scoot this back just a little bit more. I'm going to line up the carbon fiber pattern the best that I can. Okay, and that's as close as I'm going to get it. Make sure it fits there. It does. Perfect. And now we just press down on this one, running our fingers along all the edges. Perfect. And install is complete. This does fit edge to edge pretty close. There's a little bit of a gap here. On this side it's flush, so you can see there's a little bit of a gap here, so fitment could be improved. But overall it's a really nice look, and for the price of it, it's a very great product. I like that this isn't going to be ripping or getting any bubbles in it or peeling, so that'll be awesome. And overall I am very satisfied. My improvements for this product would be to make sure this is a little bit wider here. It looks like it could come over about 1 or 2 centimeters more on the edge here, and also make this a little deeper. So we've got this gap right here. If both of these were just a little bit deeper, I think it would work out really nicely. Overall, great job to the manufacturer of this product, and I would go ahead and give this about 4 stars. Now make sure to check out my channel for more reviews on Tesla products. I've got some more coming out. We're going to do a matte screen protector and also a dash pad. So be sure to check those out as well. And hit subscribe and hit the like button. It really helps me and my channel. And I'm really excited to see it grow, and I hope you'll join me for that. Thank you very much.